morning everyone. Today we are discussing about the branch account chapter. So in branch account, how we are calculating the invoice price. So, and how we are solve the problem based on the invoice price. So today we are discussing the theory. So let me know invoice price. So invoice price. So your head office go send the goods to the branch. You already know that head office send the goods to the branch. So here at a price higher than cost price. So price is nothing but this is the invoice price. Invoice price is always more than the cost price. So I'll give the formula here. Invoice price is equal to cost plus profit. So invoice price means cost and profit both included here. So cost is not included the profit, but invoice price is included the profit. So when profit is arising, so it's loading the loading. So loading is nothing but in the branch head office sent the goods to the branch. So some goods some product they are selling. So and then they are returning the head office. So there is a loading. It is called the loading. That is a loading is nothing but a profit, vice versa. It's going on. So keep in your mind, this is the formula. Invoice price is equal to cost plus profit. Well, I'll give them an example here. Invoice price is equal to cost plus profit. Cost is 1000, profit is 200. So total invoice price is 1200. Cost is 1000, profit is 200. Total 1200 is the invoice price. Okay, so next I'll go to the one example. Example number 1. Goods costing rupees 2 lakh are sent to branch at a cost plus to 20%. So here costing rupees 2 lakh, so goods sent to the branch, there is cost plus 20%. Cost plus 20% is 20% means this is the profit. So how we are calculating this one? So see, you already know that invoice price is equal to cost plus profit. This is our formula. So cost is already given. There is a 2 lakh cost plus profit you have to calculate. So I'm calculated here 2 lakh into so cost plus profit. So 20% divided by 100. 40,000 we got it. So profit is 40,000. Total 2,40,000 is the invoice price in this example. So I'll go to the second example. Goods costing rupees 1,50,000 are sent to branch at 30% above cost. So it's based on the cost 30%. How we are calculating here? Same formula, that is the invoice price is equal to cost plus profit. Cost already we know 1,50,000 plus profit. We have to calculate profit. 1,50,000 into 30%, that is 45,000. So 45,000 total 1,95,000 is the invoice price. So this profit is given, that is the based on above cost. So that's why we are taking the 30% and directly cost. So this is the second example. I'll go to the third example. In this example, goods costing rupees 4,20,000 are so sent to branch at 20% on invoice price. So keep in your mind what is telling on invoice price, not cost. It's invoice price. So already I told you invoice price is included the profit. So cost is not included the profit. So on invoice price, the 20% profit is based on invoice price, not on cost. So keep in your mind. So how to solve this one? So he given invoice price, not cost. Okay, so you know the formula. Invoice price is equal to cost plus profit. Cost already we know that 4,20,000. I written here 4,20,000, but profit so 20% not cost, right? Cost based on cost. So how to calculate? So let me check. I'll explain you. So already we know that cost is less than the invoice price. Cost is lesser, invoice price is add. So that's why invoice price is 20%. So it's given 20% invoice price, not cost. This is invoice price is 20%. So let me check what is the cost percentage. We don't know. So this is the question mark, cost percentage. So that's why how to calculate 20 divided by 80. Why you are taking divided by 80 means sales is always 100%. So in invoice price, there is a invoice price means profit is 20%, cost is 80%. So 80 plus 20 is equal to 100% sales, right? So profit plus cost is equal to sales. So that's why that is a 20 divided by 80 we are taking. 20 divided by 80 into 100 will get to 25%. So this 25% is the cost. So that's why we are calculating 4,20,000 is the cost, okay, into, so 25% is the cost profit. This is profit 25%. So we'll get 1,05,000 profit rupees. That is 1,05,000. Add both, 5,25,000 is the invoice price. So like this we are solving the problem, but invoice price is included the profit, cost is not included the profit. So that's why, so where profit have to take on the base of the cost. So here based on cost, profit you should take. So based on invoice price, profit we are not taking here. So we are taking the percentage that is based on cost only, cost. Okay. Next I will discuss about the invoice price. Invoice price, it's a loading and goods sent to branch. We are telling, right? Loading means its loading is nothing but the profit. It's always shows in the percentage on cost, percentage on invoice price, cost and invoice price, but loading is always shows in the percentage. Okay. Next, goods sent to branch. So this goods sent to branch, that is based on cost or invoice price, but this goods sent to branch is always in the amount base, not percentage base, but loading is always percentage base. Keep in your mind, loading, there is a profit. So what he is giving the profit, there's a 20%. This is loading. This loading always shows in the percentage, not in this amount. Okay, this amount is nothing but goods sent to branch. It's always in amount. Okay, so next we'll discuss conversion of loading. Conversion of loading, what I told already, loading is showing in the percentage. So cost is always less than invoice price. So therefore cost is minus, invoice price is plus. We'll take the example here, 25% on cost. So what is the next question mark? What is the invoice price we have to calculate? What is the invoice price we are calculate? So here loading, your conversion to the loading. Loading means percentage. So this is the cost percentage. So we want invoice percentage we want. That's why. So what to do? Add. In case he given that 25% on invoice price, so that time we are doing minus. Got it? 25% on cost, so that's why we are adding here, add. Okay, so what we are doing here, 25% plus add means, so total 100 is the sales, right? 100% is the sales. So we are adding 25, that is the, this is the cost, right? That's why 125 into 100, that is why we will get to 20%. This 20% is called invoice price. Okay, next let me accounting treatments in invoice price, how we are treating the